In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Instant Book Airbnb. To get started, go to Airbnb in your web browser or open the Airbnb app on your phone or tablet. Once you're there, sign into your Airbnb host account. If Airbnb opens in guest mode by default, make sure to switch over to hosting mode before continuing. This is important because the settings you need are only available from the hosting side of the platform. After you're logged in and in the correct mode, head to your listings section. This is where Airbnb keeps all of the properties connected to your host account. If you have more than one listing, take a moment to choose the specific one you want to update. Be careful to open the correct property, especially if several listings look similar, because any setting changes will apply only to the listing you select. Once you've opened the listing, look for booking settings. In some versions of Airbnb, especially depending on whether you're using the app or the desktop site, this area may appear under a slightly different name, such as Your Space and Guests. The wording can vary a little, so don't worry if it doesn't match exactly. The key is to find the section where booking preferences are managed. Inside that area, locate the Instant Book section. Instant Book allows guests to reserve your place automatically without waiting for your approval first. If your goal is to review guest requests manually before accepting them, this is the setting you'll need to change. Now turn Instant Book off by using the toggle or switch next to it. Once it's set to off, save your changes if Airbnb asks you to confirm or save the update. On some devices, the change may apply immediately, while on others, there may be a save button at the bottom of the page. It's always a good idea to wait a moment and make sure the setting has fully updated before leaving the screen. Finally, verify the change by revisiting your listing settings. Check that Instant Book is now disabled and that guests must submit a booking request instead of being able to book automatically. This final check helps make sure the update was applied successfully, especially if you're managing your listing from mobile. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Instant Book on Airbnb, giving you more control over which reservations you approve